In this video, I'm quickly going to demonstrate LOD Generator version 2.0. Let's open Blender. In order to install, go to Edit, Preferences, go to Install from Disk, select it from the folder where you have downloaded it. Let me quickly add the folder path. You will be getting this zip file along with your purchase. So let's load it. Now it is installed. You can see here it is installed. Now simply close this, press N. At the bottom of this N panel, LOD generator is listed. Now it has so many features if you compare it with the last release. So let me bring one object here so that we can do a quick demonstration that how it works. I'm deleting this default cube and I will add a sample model. Let's take this one as an example. It is well textured, and I will rename this. I will remove this default naming here that is along with it. Now, as you select the mesh, you will be getting this poly count and vertices count in the statics section. If you move further, we have a new feature called presets. Initially, we were filling these percentages one by one as per our need. So that option is still there, the custom one. You can enable the LOD option as required. Still, it has 8 LODs option. The new addition is these presets. So if you select mobile performance, so it will deselect unused one, and it will just select based on the requirement and define the percentages also. So it's become quite faster to work. In the same way, you have console, high-end PC, VR optimize, and strategy RTS, and ultra mobile extreme low poly as well. So you can select any of the presets if you want to quickly move further as per your requirement. Else go to custom mode. I'm going with the custom one for this demonstration, and let's fill the value. I will start from 60%, then 50%. The magic here is, like, let's say if I'm sliding this value using this slider, see it is giving the poly estimate in real time. So you can estimate very easily that what will be the number of poly count when you are filling it to, let's say, 40%. So this is real time and this is very helpful. So I'm moving further, 30%, 20%, and 10%, that is already there, and 5% last one. Let's just stick with this one, the default one. Now I'm aiming to create 7 different lots right now, and I will go with the default. I'm not changing any setting here. It works well for in my case, but you have some other options also that you can explore. So preserve UV, I need it. Preserve volume, I need it. Preserve material, obviously it is needed. And now let's hit LOD, generate LODs. It took almost a second and it's generated. Now I will delete this, the original model that is not needed for the timing. See, the naming is perfectly done. It has added as a postfix LOD 0, LOD 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if you select, you have 8 different meshes in front of you. Now, in order to preview it, you have additional feature, distance preview. Like, I want to go through each LOD and see how it looks. So let's click on preview LODs. I will go a bit closer, and I will start from 0.01. As you scroll these values, see, it is transitioning from one lot to another lot. You can easily see that some details has been lost, but still, see right now, the lot 07 is, the lowest lot is loaded. Anyway, still you can see the quality. It has preserved the texture very well, volume very well. There is no major loss, and when it will be far from your camera, I don't think any artifact will be visible. So it works effectively. You can switch between this and check. Okay, so once you are done with your previewing, you can exit it and you are again in the as usual mode. Now this lot generator part is demonstrated. I will move towards the additional feature, that is engine exporter. So this is a new thing that I'm adding in this lot generator because it is going to be very helpful in time saving. Because as we generate the lots, the next step is obviously exporting it to desired engines where it needs to be. So here you will be getting three presets: Unity, Unreal, AR, VR. Based on your need, you can select any one of them and export it out. How it works, let me quickly demonstrate. So again, I'm going with the default one, Unity and FBX. Here it is saying to add path. So let's add one folder path where it will get exported. I'm adding this path. Now bake transform that is needed. Preserve hierarchy. Okay, I will keep it enable. Group LODs. I'm aiming that it should be exported as a group. So I will enable this. And engine specific settings so that it will generate prefab file also for Unity. Now you don't have to do anything, simply prepare and export. So if I show you the exported folder, it looks like this: nature forest asset 001.fbx is exported, and along with this prefab.json is also exported. That is going to be quite useful. Now let's test some other file format also. So I will GLB I'm skipping, will cover in last one. Let's test OBJ. So let me embed this folder again, and I will hit prepare and export. Okay, so when you will export the OBJ, it will export your textures as well. See, along with OBJ MTL, it has exported all the texture that is applied and that object. So that's the best part. Now you can test it with other engine also. Like if I select Unreal, and again if I select FBX, and if I hit prepare and export, it created this blueprint.json file as well and this FBX file. So quite helpful and faster. Now moving further, I'm skipping GLB and OBJ here also, and in ARVR, I will be covering this GLB part. So let's change it to GLB, and there are a few settings, and it has some information also. Only GLB, GLTF is supported in ARVR platforms. FBX and OBJ are not recommended, but still, like, I'm leaving it up to the requirement. And let's hit the prepare and export. Done. GLB and then manifest.json also. So basically this exporter is going to save a lot of time because it is giving the final pack that you can directly add it into your desired engine and proceed further. So this is all about this new lot generator 2. Hope you like it. That's all. Thank you.